How's it going, John?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Can't complain.
Why weren't you at work yesterday?
I wasn't really feeling well.
What was wrong with you?
I had a stomachache. So I didn't go to work.
Do you feel better now?
I don't really feel too well yet.
Did you take medicine?
I've taken medicine just now.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks.
Did you hear my good news?
No, I haven't heard.
I've got a promotion at my job.
Really?
Seriously, I am so excited for this.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm really very happy for you.
Really?
Yes, you really deserve this. You look really nice today.
Thank you. I just got this outfit yesterday.
Really, where did you get this?
I got this from supermarket.
It's really nice.
Thanks. You look nice today, too.
Thank you. I just bought these t-shirts and shoes today.
I really like those. How much did they cost?
$100.
There's a new girl in our office, have you seen her yet?
No, I haven't seen her yet.
She is really very beautiful and funny.
Tell me how she looks like.
She is of medium height, about 5 feet, with black hair and beautiful eyes.
I guess I know who you're talking about. What's her name?
Her name is Shopia.
Shopia from India?
Yes.
She is my friend. We work together in Dell Company.
Why did you leave that job? It was a good job.
Office of Dell Company shifted to New York, which is really far from here. So we left that job.
Oh, I see. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I love playing badminton and drawing.
Do you know how to draw and paint?
Yes, I do.
When did you learn how to do that?
I learned this when I was in high school.
So you took an art class?
No, I didn't attend art class. My father is an artist. I learned drawing from him.
I see that you're pretty talented.
Thank you very much for your compliment.
I wish I had a talent like that.
I'm sure you have a talent. It's just hidden.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Romeo and Juliet.
Oh, why is that?
Because it is romantic movie. I like romantic movie.
That's true.
Have you seen it before?
Yes, I saw that movie on the first day it was released.
It's tragic movie.
That movie brought tears to my eyes.
Mine too.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I enjoy listening to all kinds of music.
What's your favorite music?
My favorite music is rock music.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the movies with a friend. How about you?
I'm not sure yet.
Did you want to go see a movie with me?
No, not today. I'd like some other day. What movie are you going to see?
I'm going to see Rebellion Moon.
It's a very good movie.
Do you have any idea about that movie?
It's a fictional movie. When a colony on the edge of the galaxy finds itself threatened by the armies of the tyrannical regent Belisarius, they dispatch a young woman with a mysterious past to seek out warriors from neighboring planets to help them take a stand.
I see, you've already seen that movie.
Yes, I have. It's a very good movie. You'll enjoy watching the movie.
Then I'm excited to see that movie. Did you go to see the basketball game held on Friday?
No, I couldn't go.
You missed a really good game.
Oh, really? Was that so interesting? Who won?
Our team won. They played very well.
Too bad, I really wanted to go. But I was very busy then.
Yeah.
You should have. It was really very interesting.
So what was the score?
The score was 103 to 98.
Next time I'm sure to go.
Did you hear the good news?
What's that?
Our sister had got a baby last week.
Why didn't anyone tell me?
I thought that somebody would have told you.
Nobody told me.
Well, baby was 8 pounds 6 ounces.
Oh, that's great.
Are you going to visit her mother and the baby?
Sure, I'll definitely go. Thanks for your information.
It's my pleasure.
Have you heard about Mary's birthday party on Sunday?
I've heard about it, but she's not invited me yet.
Really? She invited me this morning.
I'm sure she will invite me today or tomorrow.
Sure. She'll definitely invite you soon as you are her close friend.
Do you want to go to the party?
Yes, of course. We'll meet you there.
Well, at what time the party will start?
She said that it will start at 5 p.m.
Wait, Mary's calling me. Hello Mary, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks. I'm calling you to give you information about my birthday. I've birthday on Sunday. You must come to the party. It will start at 5 p.m. You must come on Sunday.
Sure. Thanks for your invitation. She has invited me too. I'm sure I'll go. Can you drop me at the supermarket now?
Sure. I'm also going that way.
Thank you very much for dropping me.
Welcome.
Welcome to our new watch shopping store. How may I help you, ma'am?
I've to buy a present for my friend's birthday. Please show me good quality watch.
Please tell me your budget so that I can show you good quality watch according to the budget. We have plenty to choose from. Let me show you these quartz watches.
I'm looking for something with an automatic movement, something that is self-winding.
Oh, in that case, let me show you these. These have the finest workmanship you'll find anywhere, with very hard crystals. Are you looking for something with a bezel? A leather strap?
I'm not sure. My diving watch has a bezel and chronograph, but I'm looking for something simpler.
This one has luminous hands and dial and is waterproof, and the other doesn't have either feature.
I'll take this one. How much does this cost?
It's $100.
Here you are.
For more videos to improve English listening and speaking skills, subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share videos.